the alignment block using two 5/16 by 1 3/4 shoulder bolts. With the air on, loosen but do not remove the two shoulder bolts inside the clamp arms. Ensure the clamp assembly moves freely. Toggle the clamp arms on and off to ensure the self-centering clamps are centered. While the roller clamps are engaged, hand tighten each shoulder bolt using the Allen wrench to hold the assembly in place. Then, fully tighten each shoulder bolt. Test to assure the self-centering clamps engage the alignment block simultaneously. Repeat this process on the other side.